Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to WebTech Challenge. Today we're gonna show how to install SSL certificate to subdomain to my website. Okay. So as you can see that my website that is like travel.khanabazar.in is not a HTTPS website. It is only HTTP website. So it is not secure at all. Okay. So if I want to install a SSL certificate to it, how to do that? By Cloudflare, which is free SSL certificate provider. Okay, so for this basically we are of our hosting partner is you can say Hostinger, and so we are going to show how to install the SSL certificate. Okay, so to do that, first you need to go to your Hostinger. Okay, so you need to first uh, in login to Hostinger. Okay, so after that you need to go to the SSL one. As you can see, if I can show you that, first manage, then go to SSL. If you can check, there is written that CRT certificate and the private key is already been there. So we need to put that. So how to generate a certificate over there? We can do that via Cloudflare. So first go to the Cloudflare website with your validate login and credential, and go to the or SSL tab. Go to the SSL tab and then go to the original server. So first SSL tab, then original server, and create a certificate. So that is the you can say the configuration you need to configure. Let Cloudflare generate a private key and CSR. So let Cloudflare kind of generate the certificate for you. Not so, and after that you need to edit. For myself, I need to use that something like that travel.khanabazar.com.in. So for you maybe okay, as you can see, it is already, if you just kind of click travel, it is automatically taking. After that, the choose the how long years the certificates expire. You can by default it is like 15 years. You can increase or decrease as per your convenience. Okay, and after that, click on create next. And this is the basically important thing or major thing you can say that original certificate, all the details is there. So what you have to do, copy, and you need to paste over certificate CRT. So copy that thing from Cloudflare and paste it over here. And there is also a column called private key. So what you need to do, copy the private key and paste it over here. Okay, that's it. After that, create install. Yeah, friends. So as you know, as I can kind of show you that you need to select that domain as like a your the subdomain itself. Okay, where you want to kind of install your key. Okay, SSL key. So you need to first select the subdomain. Suppose my can in this case my subdomain is travel.khanavaja.in. So I need to select that, and after that I need to select kind of all the original certificate. So let's select it, copy, and then paste, and again copy the private key, copy, and then paste in the private key area. Okay, as simple as that. After that, you need to install that thing. As you can see, my my travel.khanawaja.in is already been added over here. Okay, you don't need to do anything over there. Just go to your travel.khanawaja.in. If you can see, just 1 minute, it will take. Yes, if you can check that currently the travel.khanabaja.in is up and my SQL layer is the connection is secure. Okay, so that's it, guys. So kind of to install SSL certificate to our domain subdomain is as easy as that, as you can show. So thanks for watching this. If you want to more video like that, please subscribe to my channel or comments below so that I can help you for the same. Thanks, guys.